Data from the Kansas City region shows parents spend 16% of their income on child care. I hear you. That's more than double what the federal government considers affordable, though, but a solution could be on the way.
Yeah, Missouri launched a program to split the cost of child care between parents, their employers, and the state.
KSHB 41 News reporter Charlie Keegan listens to the voices of parents and daycare providers and explains how it works.
Sharing is one of the first lessons we all learn in early childhood education centers like this one. And now the state of Missouri is sharing the cost of early childhood education.
You're giving me your French fries?
Sharing can be a little messy. Sometimes it takes a big gulp of courage.
They surprise us sometimes and share.
Mother of four, Megan Dillard, sees the benefits of sharing. She pays 25% of her childcare costs. Her employer, the independent school district, pays the rest.
Do you want it there?
You have to know, okay, I'm spending this much on diapers this month and this much is going toward, utilities.
Earlier this year, the Missouri legislature approved a new program like the one in Independence. Here's how it works. The state, employers, and parents share the cost of childcare. Missouri committed $2.5 million. Employers who sign up add more money to that pot, and parents pay the rest. Organizers say parents can save up to 75% if their employer is in the program.
This takes the burden of paying for childcare off of the family alone and becomes a shared community cost.
Tony Sturdivant is helping organize the program in Kansas City. It's called Missouri Childcare Works.
Good job, honey.
Education centers like Early Start say public investment in childcare benefits all taxpayers.
When the parent is winning, the employer is winning, the school is winning, right? And so that would be the long-term benefit for us.
What sound does a duck make?
Megan thinks this new program will allow other parents to see what makes sharing so valuable.
People will show up at work ready and capable and willing to perform if and when the things that matter to them in life are taken care of. What matters more to a parent than their child?
Sharing can make everyone happy. Charlie Keegan, KSHB 41 News.
Thank you, Charlie. Well, if you have more questions about who can qualify and how employers can sign up, we have that information on our website, kshb.com.